Welcome, here I've got Xiaomi Mi 10 Lite 5G and I'm gonna show you how to change aspect ratio in the camera app at this device. So let's start by tapping on the camera button to open it, and for now we are in the standard photo mode. From here let's go to the right corner to this button. When we tap on it, we get access to more options about the camera we can manage. Now let's focus on this button, the second from the left. This is the camera frame, so the aspect ratio. Now we are in 3 and 4 aspect ratio. Let's tap on this and we can change this to 9 and 16. As you can see, the background has changed to the longer one. Now let's go again to the right corner and tap once again on the camera frame, so we get access to the full aspect ratio. As you can see, this is how it works. Another tap to the right corner and tap here and we can go to 1 and 1, the square one. And when we tap on this once again, we can easily go back to 3 and 4, the original one. So this is how to change this. Thanks for watching, subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.